Hi beauties, welcome if you are a new beauty. My name is Danita B. And please subscribe if you haven't already. It will mean so much to me. Today in this video, I'll be installing some spring twists. I do want to say thank you to Beyond Beauty for sending me this hair to try. Inside your package, you will find 3 bundles of spring twist hair. The color I received was number 1. And you will also find 2 clips and 4 hair accessories that you can use to decorate the hair. And you will also find a card just with information on how to install the spring twist hair and 2 methods you can use for installation. Here is one bundle out the pack. It also comes with washing instructions, and right here you can just see how bouncy the hair is. Here is my before. Now I did give myself a blowout. I did go ahead and install the majority of my hair off camera. Now it did take me like 6 hours to do this much. It only took me this long to do it because I'm a mom and a wife, and you know how things are when you have to stop and go and stop and go. Y'all know. First, you want to take out one strand of hair and completely stretch it and divide it into 2. I did count the hair, and there were 30 strands in each bundle. And when you divide the strand, you will get enough to do 60 twists. I'm only going to do 2 rows on camera. When I apply hair extensions in my hair or braids or anything like that, I like to put in my wild growth oil. I'll be using the method where you braid first and then twist. And when you do start twisting, you want to do right over left. That's so your hair can look more neater. And I'm going to use a clip just to clip my hair in place. So when I do start twisting, my hair doesn't start twisting with it, because that can be painful. And now I'm going to apply some Eco Styler gel to my real hair so my hair can blend in better with the twist and I won't have any hair sticking out. And at the end, I'm going to apply some Eco Styler gel just to make the curls look a little more neater and more defined. And once you're done twisting, you do want to go in and trim the ends. And here's how the spring twist will look once you're done.
Coast to coast Next level. Next level. Next level. Next level. 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 Next 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 level.
Here is the finished look. I love this hair. It's super lightweight. I think the next time I do it, I do want to try the knotless method. But thank you for watching. Always remember, you are wonderful, you are amazing, and you are beautiful. Until next time, peace, love, and unity.